Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create Winnie the Pooh. So color your skin tone F8A721. Just going to save that. Get the cupcake outfit here and color this yellow and then red. I'm just going to select this red, BA2320. And then we are going to use these jeans in that same yellow color. Same with the fur leg warmers. And then we are going to get some VIP items. If you don't have it, you can just substitute it with other stuff. But we're going to get these sleeves here in yellow, in matte. And then the Ugg boots in that same yellow color as well. And then we are going to get this bear hat in yellow, in matte. And we're going to scale it all the way to 1. Get this beanie in that same yellow. And we're going to do some adjustments to it. X.5, Y.26. And then this one's at 52. Rotate it at 0.24. And scale it all the way to 1. Actually, I don't know if we're supposed to toggle it to the first one, but anyways, we're going to get this bonnet in yellow, in matte as well. So position the Y-axis at 0.21. And then rotate it all the way to 0 for the X rotation and scale it to 0.65. Like so. Grab the lashes here and toggle it to the first toggle. For this one, we're going to position it at 0.75 for the Y-axis, 0.46 for the Z-axis. And we are going to scale it all the way to 1. Then we're going to get these ears. We're going to color it all black. I think I'm going to redo the beanie and make it to no ears. 0.46. 0.36. Where is that? Rotate it at 0.05. Y at 51. And scale it to just 0.51. 51. Why am I going backwards? Okay. And then we're going to grab the halo in that same yellow color. For this one, we're going to position the Y at 0.2, the Z at 0.16, then rotate it at 0.52 and 0.51. And we're going to scale it all the way to 0.18. Then we're going to get the mask in all black. And for this one, 0.49, 0.57, and 0.008. For the rotation on this, 0.80. And then we are going to scale it all the way to 0 for the cutesy nose. Grab the eye mask and color it black and then yellow. Position it at 0.26. Rotate the X at 0. And then we're going to scale it all the way to 0.56. And that is your Winnie the Pooh. You can opt for the ears to stay or not. I think it's for like the in part of the ear, but if you want to, you can toggle it to no ears. Let me see, 0.26, 0.24, and 1. oops, 0.26 here, 0.24, and 1. Well, I guess 0.96, but that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!